advance to football heaven. It doesn't get a whole lot better than this. The conditions are utopian. The sky is blue, and the players are with us for a football match so widely and keenly anticipated. Truly, this is pristine, and the level of expectation and excitement is reflected in the smiling faces of the crowd. They know it means so much, and they also experience between them a great sense of privilege at being Luis Suarez! Messi. And here's Suarez. Tar. Diaby. Florenzi did really well to intervene and dispel the growing danger. Hoists it forward. If you have just joined us, well, you've missed no goals. Bruno Fernandes. Ball's out on the left now. And here's Suarez. And it's Messi. Keeps everyone guessing. Now it's Vidal. Vidal decides to play it back. Messi. Messi plays it backwards, and they'll try again. Alex Telles. Luis Suarez. Has a hit! And the ball's come out. Messi, a regular corner taker. They've played it short. Vidal opts to play it back. Florenzi. Alex Telles. It's on a play. Has a hit! Oh, that is asking for trouble. It's a... And Messi! It's in! He was urged to shoot, and he duly delivered.
Well, considering he has a bit of a shoot-on-sight policy, he was the one player that should have been picked up then. It was both careless and costly from Moran City.
Port break the deadlock.
Listen, when it comes to goals, Peter, in this team, he's always the #1 contender, and he's done it again.
Referee's given a throw. He's got options out wide. Referee's had a look, and he's blown his whistle for half-time. And here we are, off they go for half-time. The breakthrough did indeed come in the first half, but there has only been that one goal. It is very, very tight.
Well, that certainly pleased the fans, and the players are definitely happy with that scoreline. The question is now, can they protect it?
Port are going to have the lead in a tight old game. Half-time, 1-0. That gets things going for the second half.
Port going well here, and they're in a good position to kick on and add to their lead. They don't have to overcommit, but they can place more emphasis on stretching their advantage.
And the finish! And it's Messi. Lukaku has a goal! And they've been... And oh! This could fall anywhere. He's had a shot. Gets it back. Tries to get it forward quickly. I think that's offside. Yes, it is. Florenzi. He's there to receive it. Lukaku! They did it! And there's the goal they've been looking for. Port have a couple of goals without reply. It's 2-0.
Well, at 1-0, this contest was still nicely poised, but now that it's gone to 2, mindsets are affected a lot more. Winning belief one way and that losing feeling the other.
And it's played forward. Bender. Tar. Forward it goes. Gets into a dangerous position. Diaby. Florenzi battles to win it back. Florenzi plays it forward. And here's Lukaku. He wasn't very far from making something happen by himself. Lovely to see. Lars Bender tries to get it forward quickly. Diaby. There's a long ball. He's played him through. Now it's Messi. Messi. Lukaku. Up to meet it! Oh, it looked like 3-0 for sure.
Lukaku should really have closed the game out then, and this could come back to haunt him.
Time for a change in personnel.
Well, you have to feel a little for the player being taken off here. I think he's been made the scapegoat after that, but I guess something had to be done. I suppose it did need a little change.
Oh, that's neat. Has a go!
Messi weighed up the options and picked the wrong one.
Bender drives it forward. Just brushed off the ball there. Hoists it forward. And here's Lukaku. And it's Messi. Quick glance at goal. Chance! And more, and more, and more! And the lead is extended still further.
Looking back at that, that's how you play on the counter. Quick and decisive and ruthless with the finish. I thought it was a stunning, stunning breakaway.
And time is up. Port a class apart. Opponents torn apart.
There's a solidity about them, almost as if they set up not